You deleted a photo, or worse, formatted the whole card. But here's the thing. Those photos are probably still sitting on that drive, just hidden. We tested 6 recovery apps against real deletion and format scenarios, so you know exactly which one to grab and when. First thing, stop using that SD card drive or phone right now. Every new photo, download, or app install can overwrite the exact data you're trying to save. So pop it into a card reader or USB adapter and recover your files onto a completely different drive. Before you panic, know your odds. A quick format just wipes the file system's index, so your actual photos are usually still there. A full format that zeroes out every sector is a much tougher fight. And if you're dealing with an SSD instead of an SD card, that's riskier too, since Trim is constantly clearing out free space in the background. My first pick is Distro. It's got a clean interface, a fast scan, and lets you preview thumbnails of recoverable photos before you pay a cent. The free version caps you at 500 megabytes, but in our tests, it pulled back all 10 photos in both the deletion and format tests, file names intact, and it even handled RAW formats like Canon CR3 and Sony ARW. If cost is your main issue, go with PhotoRec. It's completely free and open source and comes bundled with test disk. Just know you'll need to check disk management or disk utility first to find the right partition and tell it which file types to look for, since it won't filter afterward. It recovered every single photo in both tests. The only catch is your files come back with generic numbered names instead of the originals. For a simple accidental delete, try Recuva. It's Windows only, but its wizard lets you filter specifically for pictures, and it recovered all 10 photos instantly in our deletion test. On a formatted card, though, the standard scan came up empty, and deep scan took over an hour just to grab a fraction of the files, so save this one for straightforward deletions, not formats. If you need something that works across almost any device, EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard covers SD cards, USB drives, internal drives, and external hard drives. Plus, you get 2 gigabytes of free recovery and easy thumbnail previews. It nailed all 10 photos in both scenarios, and in most cases even kept your folder structure intact. Shooting RAW, Stellar Photo Recovery is built specifically for photo and video files, JPEG, RAW from Canon, Nikon, and Sony, PNG, TIFF, and common video formats. It recovered everything in both our tests, and just like the others, you can scan and preview before paying anything. And if everything else has failed you, our studio is the heavy hitter. It's advanced and pricier, but it's built for the worst cases, severely corrupted file systems, drives with bad sectors, even Linux file systems like ext4. In our testing, it recovered everything from a standard quick format without breaking a sweat. Bottom line, your photos are probably recoverable. You just need the right tool for the job, start free with Distill or PhotoRec, and save the heavy hitters for the tough cases. If this saved your memories, give the video a like and subscribe to Online Tech Tips for more fixes like this.